I met with the clients probably almost 7 years ago, so it's been long in the making. It appears that it's quite nestled into the landscape, but once you approach it at sheer scale and the materiality is really exposed. Every space in the home actually captures a view and has a physical and visual connection to the landscape, over the farm, and then to the mountains beyond. The base is located in Cobbitty, part of the Macarthur region. It's on a property which is part of a larger parcel of 600 acres. You get these quite extremes of temperature. So in midsummer you can get well into the early 40s, but midwinter we've had -4 degrees. So using design principles to create a pleasant internal living environment was critical. The initial client brief was quite simple. They just wanted to create a timeless and practical family home, materials that would last the test of time, and concrete was something we thought was perfectly fitting. And then we also incorporated stone and natural timber, and of course a lot of glass. The home stretches over like 70 metres with a slight kink for the entertainment and guest quarters. The curved stone wall draws you into the front entry through a large core 10 pivot door into this large foyer space, framed by this oversized fixed window. In this space is the spine that links the private and public parts of the home. So to the east, we've got all the bedrooms. And then to the west, you've got all the living spaces which flow and interconnect. The off-form concrete hood was, I guess, a key design feature, and that floats above the glazed panels and between the highlight windows. It's been designed to eliminate any midsummer sun hitting the glazing, whilst in midwinter it allows the sun to really come into the space, warming up the thermal mass of the home, which radiates and creates quite a pleasant environment. The concrete hood sets a datum at 3 metres, so these large glass panels are 3 metres high by almost 2.5 metres wide, so large panels, and then we've got the entry that soars to over 6 metres high. The decision of having the concrete was from very early on, but then how that's integrated into the slabs, the concrete blades, the glazing or other materials met up to the concrete is quite critical. So that took a lot of planning and detailing from us. Early in the documenting phase, we worked with the window fabricator, architectural aluminium. That was quite critical because the tolerances we were working with are millimetres, so literally has to be millimetre perfect, especially dealing with these large panels. So that was a key part of the design process, the documenting process, and the install and completion of the project. The 704 FBR SlideMASTER doors were the perfect selection for our application here. Wanting to create this seamless transition and flush threshold inside and out. Also, what we loved about the FBRs is that the frames are fully recessed into the seal and also into the building fabric. So it was recessed into the concrete blades, the hood and the floors, which required a lot of detailing and great execution from the builder and fabricator. What I love the most is just the reaction from the clients and how they love living here. They've said several times how well the home works and how it flows. They say they pinch themselves every morning waking up to that view, and they just love being here, and that's the most satisfying part of being an architect. So clients really enjoying the home that we've created, and something that they can enjoy with family, friends, and create these memories.